in position size, I traded with half of 1%. So with the account size that I have here, this should be about a $640 win, not a $64 win. So that's just one of those trading mistakes that even professional traders do. This was just a fat thumb moment, and I ended up losing out on about $500, $600 because of it. But anyway, nothing you can do about it now. We have already hit profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these targets off now, and I'll talk to you guys in just a second. So as you can see in that video, the market was below our zone when I was pointing this out as a zone I was looking at for possible resistance to push the market down. Why am I looking here for possible resistance? It is a major level of support that has pushed the market around multiple times, and because of that, I expect it to become resistance if the market's below it, pushing up. And the amazing thing about this multiple time frame approach I taught you earlier, finding your support and resistance on higher time frames, and then finding your entries on smaller time frames, is that even if we don't get a reversal out of this zone on the daily chart, if I'm trading the 1 hour, then I can hit profits. God forbid I'm trading on the 15-minute because I find the perfect setup in this zone. If that's the case, then I can easily hit profits without this market having to reverse. And that's what you saw on the live trade that you just looked at. So what happened was the market was around here, continued up into my zone. Let me drop down to the hourly and try to find this. And actually, I was on the 15-minute whenever I took this trade, or was I? No, I was on the hourly. So on the hourly chart, we had a market that came up into the exact zone I was paying attention to for possible trading opportunities. This was my daily structure level. At my daily structure level, I'm dropping down a couple of time frames to find my entry and to place my stop so that I can get a better risk reward and have a higher chance, likelihood of this trade working out. So what happens? When we enter into my zone, we get one top, followed by a neckline of a double top. We get our second top right here. And what do I need after the double top? Confirmation. What is confirmation? I was waiting on just a red candle. That shows me that the market could be pushing down from this level. Now, this is what I was talking about in terms of stops and targets needing to be much smaller for stops. The rule that I have is that we just have to be above the highest top, the double top, because at that point, in a trade continuation, I don't want to be a part of this trade. For double tops, I also have a rule that I need the target to be at the next level I expect trend continuation to happen from. There's no doubt we're in an uptrend here on the 15-minute chart. So if we're going to continue this uptrend, the likely area we continue from, again, using the same concepts of support and resistance you've been learning about this entire video. In trend continuation, where are we likely to continue the trend? If we break previous resistance, it's likely to become the next support, right? So let's see what happens here. As we push forward, had stops and targets set. I had a 1.2 to 1 risk reward back down to our previous resistance, which was perfect for me. I needed at least a 1 to 1. Anything above that, I can place the trade according to my trading plan. We push around a bit, and a few hours later, hit those targets no problem, but check out what happened next. That level of resistance became support. Again, this happens time and time again in the markets, and hopefully now you have a greater understanding of support and resistance levels, not only the simplistic version of support and resistance, but 3 key strategies, 3 key ways to find important levels in the market that can provide you with some extremely accurate trading opportunities. It was a pleasure to have you here today. If you liked the video, make sure to click the like button. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you are new and have not yet to be alerted about some of this extremely valuable content we come out with each and every week. If you're interested in checking out the Blackboard lessons that I'm going to be coming out with 3 days a week over on Instagram, then Instagram's linked in the description as well. If you're ready for some more advanced training